10 of the strangest towers in the world. Number 10. The Crooked House, Sopot, Poland. This is a building that looks like it's been taken straight out of a fairy tale book. The Crooked House was designed to resemble the works of the famous children's book illustrator Jan Marchand's Answer. Number 9. The Elephant Tower, Bangkok, Thailand. This building was designed to look like an elephant, complete with tusks and an elephant head at the top. It's one of the most recognizable landmarks in Bangkok. Number 8. The Basket Building, Newark, Ohio, USA. This 7-story building is shaped like a giant picnic basket. It was built to serve as the headquarters of the Longaberger Company, which produces handcrafted baskets and other items. Number 7. The Atomium, Brussels, Belgium. This unique building is a representation of an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. It consists of 9 steel spheres connected by tubes and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Belgium. Number 6. The Ryugyong Hotel, Pyongyang, North Korea. This hotel is a 105-story pyramid-shaped skyscraper that has been under construction for over 30 years. It's currently the tallest unoccupied building in the world. Number 5. The Dancing House, Prague, Czech Republic. This building is also known as the Fred and Ginger Building because it resembles a couple dancing. It was designed by Frank Gehry and Vlado Milunik. Number 4. The Cayenne Tower, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This tower twists 90 degrees from base to top, making it a visually stunning sight. It's also the tallest building in the world with a twist. Number 3. The Tower of the Winds, Athens, Greece. This is an ancient tower that was built in the 1st century BC. It was designed to be a weather vane and is decorated with images of the 8 winds. Number 2. The Big Pineapple, Queensland, Australia. This building is a 52-foot tall pineapple-shaped structure that was built to promote tourism in the area. It features a gift shop, a restaurant, and a wildlife park. Number 1. The Bezludza Monument, Bulgaria. This is a massive abandoned communist monument in the mountains of Bulgaria. It was built to commemorate the founding of the Bulgarian Communist Party but has since fallen into disrepair. It's a popular destination for urban explorers and photographers.